What's up, YouTube? Hey, for the sake of time, man, I gotta teach my option class tonight, so I wanted to touch base with the family before I ran and taught the class tonight. Listen, guys, today we had a bounce back, but there's a lesson in all of that I want you guys to take heed to. Okay, check it out. On down days, on pullbacks, corrections, and crashes, guys, oftentimes days like today serves as a reminder as to why we get our positions built out, or we nibble, or we scoop up a few shares on those red days, because then when you have somewhat of a bounce back, and then guys, listen, we'll have even more real bounce backs in the coming days and weeks. You're gonna appreciate those massive red days that we had, so that you guys see a greater gain in the stocks that you hold and that you have added to your portfolio. So listen, guys, today all in all was a somewhat of a bounce back. Nothing to get too excited about, nothing to write home about. However, I wanted to take the time to highlight for you the importance of nibbling on down days, nibbling on red days, especially when you see a lot of weakness. Okay, also guys, don't forget to take a look at a few stocks that are just bubbling up. I'm highlighting a couple here. Listen, guys, this play in particular would have done extremely well had this week not been a crash week. Okay, had this week not been a massive sell-off week. Okay, but the thing that I want you guys to take away is it's revving up in spite of. Okay, it's beginning to rev up in spite of. This play is taking off, and then you got some other plays that are again bubbling up, preparing for the double up. So again, as I say often, guys, be ready and anticipating adding to your positions, getting yourselves and your positions fully built out at some of these lower levels, so you can take advantage of the run up if and when they occur. Okay, it's not a matter of if though, because ultimately they will. Time is the only thing that's in your way. Okay, and listen, guys, if you're doing options, understand this. Okay, the market can sometimes work against you. Okay, if there's a lot of volatility in the market, you can have the perfect play, but the volatile nature of the market could be going against you. Okay, that is where some of the Greeks come into play. So again, do a little surveying of your plays. If you are hitting them off the park, major salute. I know many of you that are, but some of you may be struggling on some levels because of things that have nothing to do with you per se, but things you're up against in the overall market. Okay, so listen, guys, all in all, man, these are just lessons that again you make note of, you add them to the bank, and then you use it to make yourself better as you go along your journey. All right, and then last but not least, guys, because I got to get ready to get out of here, again, I teach the option class each and every month. Okay, and so if you don't make it for tonight, don't worry about it, guys. Join us next month in October. All of this stuff continues and is consistent throughout the year. And then remember to join us in our weekly option plays, so that you guys can, again, not only get more practice, but ultimately learn a skill and add a skill to your arsenal that can serve you very well in terms of helping you make supplemental income, making money in a much rapider pace, and ultimately adding some fun and some spice to the journey of investing. As I often tell you guys, I'm a long-term investor, and so a lot of times you just buy and hold. There is not real sexy. There's not a lot of moves to be made because you're just buying and holding. So what the options give you a chance to do, what swing trades give you a chance to do, what scalping gives you a chance to do, what sometimes day trading give you a chance to do, is to have a little bit of fun, mix it up a tad bit in conjunction with your true trading strategy or investment strategy. And that way you got your wealth growing at a slow and steady, consistent rate, but then lateral to that, you're still making money in the meantime in a much more faster pace. Okay, so guys, all of it comes to the territory. Embrace it all. Listen, I should be back tonight with a more structured video, but I wanted to touch base with the family before I went into class on tonight. And so listen, guys, I will see you guys soon, but I just wanted to say, if you made money today, let me know down in the comments below. Great job to everybody that did, that sent me screenshots and things of that nature. of plays that you did your thing in or moves that you made in general. This is ultimately what it's all about, guys. Keep up the good work. Let's keep the pace going. Let's keep the momentum going. Even in the face of a correction/crash, we're still doing our thing, and that's what I expect out of each and every one of you guys. Listen, gotta go, but I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.